Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing the Nikkietutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration. This is what the palette looks like. I love the details to this palette. I love how bright this side is and how dark this side is. I love like the little details, the little drawings, and the inside of the palette, of course, is to die for. It's very gorgeous. It is more of a summer palette. At least I would think so. It does have like your darks on this area where you can make it fall. But today I am going to be digging into these shades. As you can see, it's more of a summer spring look. But I'm going to be reviewing this palette. And if you guys would like to know how I liked it, how it works, how the shadows blend together, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be going in with the Nikkietutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration. This is her palette. I know it's been a while since this came out, but I just got it, so I figured I would play with it a little today. And honestly, the colors are stunning. They are super, super gorgeous. I think I'm going to play with like the orange and the peach. Maybe take into the pink a little bit. I don't know. We'll just kind of see where this look takes us. But yeah, this is what the video is going to be about. So let's go ahead and get started. I already did my brows and I primed my lids. So whatever I use will be linked down below. So for the first shade, I'm just going to go in with this. This is like a really big palette. I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is Sommer. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is the shade I'm going to go in with. I don't know if you guys can see me. Okay, you guys can. So this is the shade I'm going to go in just as my transition shade. And they're pretty pigmented, like you can see. And I'm just going to slightly go into it. So it kind of comes off more on the pinky side. Oh, shoot. Forgot my tapes. I always have to use tapes. That's just how I prefer it. Just gonna go in with this shade here. Kind of just blend this all out and blend it pretty high up into almost the brow bone area. I really like taking my eyeshadow like really high up. Just because I do have like slightly hooded eyes, it just helps me have more space to create the type of look I want. So this is blending out very nicely, as you guys can see. The blendability is there, the pigmentation is there. There's so many like different things I can do with this palette. Like I'm just like not 100% sure which way I want to go. Like you guys already know, I always have a lot more trouble on this eye to blend anything out. Shade is giving me cotton candy vibes right now. Okay, I think I'm just going to stick with this shade and the pink shade, and then, yeah. Okay. I know exactly what I'm doing now. I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush here, and I'm going to go in with the shade. Sorry, I'm going to fold this so it's a little easier. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a more hot pink. And that shade is in Blend and Snap. I'm just going to add this right below that original shade. And I'm going to pack on a lot because I do want this shade to really stand out. I love how easy these are to blend out. They're very easy to like build on top of each other. It's like a very like summery shade, but like with like this palette, I feel like it's not like there is fall colors, so I kind of just have to go with this. But you know what? It's summer somewhere in the world, okay? I know it's summer. It's not summer here. It's like fall, but it literally feels like summer because we're in Southern California and it's always so damn hot. I know it's summer in New Zealand, so if you're from New Zealand, this is a perfect look for you guys to wear right now. I feel like this look, what I'm doing, would look really, really good. Like, even for, like, a fall, like, not fall, like, a festival. Like, a music festival, like EDC or Coachella. Like, that's kind of, like, the vibes I'm getting right now. So I'm going to take just a little bit more of that first shade that I used. Just to kind of, like, blend everything out. Make sure it looks seamless. Okay, so for my lid, I'm going to be going in. I'm not going to cut my crease because I don't want, like, the very price cut crease today. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Pride, which is like it's a foiled eyeshadow, I believe. I'm not too sure what kind of eyeshadow it is, but this is the shade I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm picking it up with the brush, and it's not really coming off with the brush. So I might have to do it, yeah, very, very light with the brush. So I'm going to do it with my finger first, because with my finger, like, a lot comes off. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, yes. Oh, my God. This is gorgeous. This is freaking gorgeous. Do you guys see how freaking pretty this shade is? Oh my God, yes. I love how metallic and how pigmented this shade is. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more pink and kind of just blend this out a little bit. Just pack the pink on here. Okay, so my garner just got here, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm gonna go in with my liner first. I'm gonna be using the RIP Lashes liner in Lethal. I love how precise I can be with this pen. So then I'm going to go and wipe off the excess that you guys see around my face, because there was a lot. You guys can see my hair is a complete mess. So I'm going to go in with my facial cream. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. I've really been enjoying this. I've actually kind of used a lot already. You guys can't see, but I've actually used a lot of it. And it just keeps me really, really hydrated. I've been really, really dry. Okay, so I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face off camera, because I just want to focus this video on the palette. And I will be right back. Okay, so I went and I did the rest of my face. I'm not too happy with how my face is looking right now. Unfortunately, like you guys know, I do have a severe allergy to, like, dairy and eggs and a bunch of other different stuff. So I'm, like, breaking out in hives, like, around my mouth and on my nose. Like, this whole area is super dry, and no matter how much, like, hydrating cream or hydrating primers I put, or even a hydrating foundation I put, it still looks really, really dry. Although today I did use a matte foundation, a soft matte foundation, but I still look pretty dry. Like, you can see right here, like, I'm just, like, breaking out really bad. And then on my nose, you can see it more on my nose right here too. But unfortunately, that's just how my skin is. So yeah. So let's go in and do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here, which is Plot Twist. And if it doesn't look all that well with just that light blue, I am going to go with a little bit of that dark blue, which is called Amsterdam. But I'm going to start off with this light blue. So I feel like this blue is going to look more like white in the under eye. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of this blue from the palette. It's like a deep violet blue. And kind of just use a little bit of this mixed in with the other blue. For the waterline, I'm going to go in with this cream color from ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Prance. It is a very nice blue. I think it'll pair very nicely with this look.
So this is like the color I wanted for like the bottom lash line, or like the bottom. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really enjoyed the palette. Definitely feel like I can create a lot of different looks with this palette, so I'm going to be really excited to be playing with it more, and I will be posting my looks on Instagram. If you guys do want another look on this with this palette, let me know in the comments down below, and I will be happy to film it for you guys. Yeah, I just really love this cotton candy vibe that I feel going on right now. Like I said, I feel like it's a perfect summer look, and it's really like that perfect look for a music festival like EDC. This is something I would totally rock at EDC, but you know, my mom at 5 now, so I can't be doing that shit. I went 1 year, experience of a lifetime, and I can be happy with not going again. But that is like off topic. This look just really made me feel good. Like, I really loved how it came out. The shades were very pigmented. They blended out very nicely. Right after this, I will be putting in some swatches of the palette in here, so you guys see how they swatch on the arm. But like I've said many times when reviewing palettes, I don't go based off the swatches on my arm, because once you use a brush and you put it on your eyelids, it's a different consistency and it won't match the swatches on your arm. It won't look the same. Well, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload. I upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. There's no specific time, but it is mostly like around between 3 and 7 in the afternoon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!